aichiram amanya kahada madingo wafi anasufol human trafficking amna fi bailen ci xel bu baax human trafficking asutotale alinga hakilotu man nañu jël nit réew bi réew ndeke dañu koy jaay man nañu yóbbu nit réew bi réew ndeke ay ciiram lañuy jaay amul xale amul mag góor ak jigéen ku ci ne li mën na la dal lu ma tiital mooy dañuy xool ñi ñàkk ñu amul liggéey wala xeex si réew nax leen ba jaay leen du ci xam dara human trafficking waaye pexe am na ku jot bi xibaar jotalil sa morom waaye pexe am na gur bi teg ay yoon ay lu wàkku ko def ñu daan la waaye pexe am na jokkalante neñ ak yeneen réew ngir bokk xeex bi betakku mu dal na ko ñépp jàppale dafa ñaaw ndax mën na dal forcé ni kii di ko jaay wala ay cëram amanya ka xadama di ngo waafi ana sufol human trafficking am na fi bàyyi leen ci xel bu baax human trafficking asutotale alinga hakilotu dañu lay nax dig la liggéey bu lay fay ndeke jaay nañu lay dañu lay nax dig la liggéey bu lay fay ndeke dangay jaay sa bopp human trafficking human trafficking mu ngi fii su la daale fexeel ba wax ak nit yi nanga call 1123 nanga call naa tit ne la nanga call 1123 nanga call ndimbal am na fa nanga call 1123 nanga call 1123 dafa ñaaw nga forcé ni kii di ko jaay wala ay cëram
assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu be na lamodlalu kontonna kabonan radio Gambia 106.7 FM mile 7 sate kono jang ko dalta kela nyami tenen wotenen kanana jang kabo talantanin kilin kata talantanin fula ka program ona fena jami be dending human trafficking na kabonan natib niyamoy natib wolomo national agency against trafficking in person wolle be mararini kuola min be dending human trafficking na niyamo human trafficking dorong wolomo mol ka hadamadu ta ka safar wolomo ka hadamadu wafu nyoya wala ka asanyoya pour iba marila nyanto tinyana nyami woketa kuti bi alon ko aketa ngatambati ku kolem balamu mi alon ko mol kala nyokan ni ajibe animi mulunta nyoyata wala mu slavery ti miketa joyati wala akendi atodo bije ka fa modern day slavery so o kambala ngaje ko wato wati tolnyanta nal don kamol hakilo bulandi anin kamol la fahamro la fa nyinko nyina miketa human trafficking ti ko ngaje ko ni mole famro soto je a ko nyin kelo ba soni ala bakela because ye londo soto ko to ni ala sonta pour moye ne woto aka kole bakela because ala ko mu be tata nata ne rol bije wala mo ke ne ke dundi ku kono mi alon ko abina kele mantor to sinin sama oto mbal bismillah la programme oto te to mo seko chamlati kabona natip la kisi bundato min keta investigation unity natip na office ba ba koto wala keta Ministry of Justice ti wala Attorney General's Chambers fele sai na palaso na office of fele saunta sai dula koto soto be kotu min keta national human right silo min kan mpana boto Manjai Johnson bala so be al bismillah la programme to ni mo ñoo nata nan sa fanam bula pour afana ya pon introduce Kamol Kontong bismillah poja.
Assalamu alaikum bari lamar laru balbe konton na al tol nal konton di mala dato mo sidi boja nadi fanam ba do ko la natiple Natalia Janne bi fana kana diamu fanna minna wolo nyindi ko human trafficking ni ko human trafficking wolo nyindi kamol bondi dularo ke samba dularo anin ka dol fana bonna banku dol skan ke samba na Gambia jam kana nan ka kule ka miliyan ko anin hanmadi yala nyanto nyimanta o nyanda tinya wollo kuolti milin safo ko ka dinde mo bonni na banku do ka samba na jankana ka bay force dundi ko cakayala wolon ka samba banda suto walla tilibulo walla somandalon banka forose anin keliye la puduka kodo sodoje andu wo kodo nyin nate ya sodoje anafa bika na murun nate fonka miliya samba miliya dundu o do ko la nafa nyin be ka murun na wolaka ngadol jajande fana miliya lon ko isam do ko di molla wo do ko kola isa do ko kala fo karo e faida sonne la karifa jo dilela ni bota woto nga molje janna miliyalon ko ike nene ke bonni yim banko kan barin Gambian lon bang fo jimalon ke samba banko ko ten wala ka fo ko nga do ku kendo lo sotali je ni futara je bikana wo do ku nyen taraje kana mina le kan kana tilimbali ya kulo le kan bawo trafficking mo kula de miyalon ko ndolba diamu la luwo bari traffical wol ba fanan ba kan ka molla nyanto tinya ala luwo so fanan ban nakato down kelele kaje ko hannin Gambia 100% men ya kibaro nyim futandi wal bela bara afuta nyaawo nya 90% tan kononto sa kibaro futandi no walla le pour sa kuwo nyin danno nyami trafficking mu kula de miyalon ko ku jaw balo ni nara jibe duniya kono atene miyalon ko itolla mu bakilin fakilin to wolon drug trafficking because fenno miyalon ko mol min ke dabula ko ne kana fulo min sodoje ana fulo nyin sembo ka wara bakele anu mol min fanan na nyanto ka tinyaje idango bika doya so ko min bo nyama ngamiran tol fanan na office o nyanto banko la nyanto lon tol kam pour ka findinan ka fo banko dingol ko ñinon trafficking anu nyanta mina fanan kela e be fon tankandila o man nyanda tinyal la nyami so comme Mr. Seku ya chami ya fale nyami bi fana wole en sijam pour kana ni moliye kaja ka trafficking anin other offenses all bondi moliye nyoto ala barka bak
yo barka Sidi yo bawo be lamodal limanian la ko watu nin nata nan jang ka topic o tale pour ka aje be min kachala ka bondi nyoto wati ba dalta kele no nyami wawto wati nin nata ka kamfula tale min keta surwa ka woni man ka kan bari nyin silo bawo nin tijan fal kanana jang bari abulo mutata bake na episode ni wato kono bulo ba mutarin bake waya kendi pour ate nanan bi abakole ala bake wala na atinna CD nata na CD fanan be abe man ka kamfula le abe angale kan fanan fala pour ka ko ñi sonandi na lamor lalie wato wati ni commence ke la moy programme ñina pour understanding ñimbe soni ala ñami okay ni human trafficking jibe ateketa kulete mi alon ala bulul siatale bari wato wati ni human trafficking podron hakilo wala mol min be la moy kana hakilo Allah hakilo bitala min kan wala mo di 3 elements ti wo 3 elements kala finyin la pour ka wo fo ka emphasize bake because wala ya actina pour mol be human trafficking understand na nyami ila famuro se soneaje wo 3 elements wala mo the act, the means and the purpose wo the act wala mo mineketa the means aketa nyaadile and the purpose minayatina aketa so niko the act wala mu kujamal la keta ko kono wala mo recruitment oti ni amo recruitment wala mo nata adiamute ya ko nga do ko soto mi yalon ko ni idunta kono wala ni ya do ko nyinke ibe fanko jama ba soto laje wala mi ba ko do jama ba soto laje because ila salary wala la karfajo aba siala anno nyi mo min kana nyi recruitment okay ka ke mo leti min yalon ko kete mari lonne do bi jase ke badi asake la family friend wala sake moti mi yalon ko no ayete la family lonne wala ayete fan lonne ayela ko lon ko ete ba sulari mun kusi palela ni wo ko nata nan ay o diamol be keye ay nene because akadiamom be fo akake nene ko moleti abuka ke kuma sotorende way bo kono ay bondi lado tay samba lado to comme bo jamba fo ka nyami se dol bondi banko kan jaye samba bantala banko kan wala se bondi dol bondi bantala banko kan ye samba Gambia jang wala Gambia jam fanto ye bondi tundi doto ene samba tundi doto because traffic na teman frontier soto wala mo asekeno dula betole ani Gambia jandama amanjari ye boda salam wala ka frontier o kundu kata banku doka jam fanto traffic sekeno so wala keta ko ultimini anko wala kake anu ni bondi wo fanando ke dundi lado because traffic ni ajibe abukata no komi la dula koma wala mo ka la dula di mola andu dobi ja seke la dula timi yalon ko la dula ni amansa haya but min bije do e tol danko do e tol bela nyanto tinyana nyami ni wo bota je ni awo ko be jibe ya be kasabi kaje ko ne rol bije do bije ni dunda kono fana wo ne ro ko la kana forcer la kan kana ko keje min yalon ko fon abina kele mantura baleti because it's on the mota nono la la mirelo ta nono because of ka kumol min fo e wala mo iko mo e bolle fole wala mo e bol tinyana no nyami ni ta man so do ko la so nyimu kuti mi yalon ko ngaje ko ko yatal andun purpose ni o fana jibe wol keda kuti mi yalon ko wolom dalilo timi yatine tolba ko be ke kan o dalilo wolom pour que tela nyanto ti nyami keda exploitation oti o exploitation fana sila jamal so to min yalon ko e ko wol fana tale comme bo jamba fo ka nyami yeddi ni wona fe nan jang ya adundi ku ko mi yalon ko abe kala chaka yalti bang bo fo anin kelle be lala wala comme ça jamano falen de nyami wala ino ku dol je nyami kenin ke lale musuni musu ke la wol be ba kenene kamol dundi o sifal kono wala ay keddo ku koti lebo exploitation wo fana sila jamal sotole fo domestic servitude lomba suo kono ka dinno ta ke kembindano ti ke do kundi wala ay kedula dam yalon ko minyim magasin baltolomu wala construction sa comme nyim bunlo dulalto ni wona nyol comme na agriculture la area wol sifal fana be kene ne mi yalon ko no wol be mu exploitation wol di asifa siata anu dobi je fana dol sake multi mi yalon ko ibe ila sufo tale balaka ta ka safari modolia wol fana be kene ne so nyil mu kuti mi yalon ko ngaje ko adenta kala mobile business solti wala mo nga kacha ndamal nga kacha nyote manga nyo kalamtandi so de disaje abe danna nyami aso soniano kako ninga kachake mbe nyo kalamta ngalum minum human trafficking ti abe kole ala la pour moy nanan pour ka ntol nene so to human trafficking amu kulete mi yalon ko kolete bake bi wala munna topico ti kaje ko ka mol fahamu yandi comme ka mol hakilo bulandi because in kanyum fonne bar ngaje ko no nyanta han sain ka mol hakilo bulandi ninga ha mol hakilo bulandi minum human trafficking fondi wokono kajanyu kono bina kajanyu fanula mi kabo human trafficking fon la no ko fon in general binala dunna ala comme ala masibo kono wala mala impact aka tika mun ko le akule la mol kan min keta family ti lombang fo community lombang because ni ajibe wato wati ni human trafficking keta aketa molla mi yaron ko ino abota family lo kono ando aketa molla mi an ka abota community lo kono ando wo community molu min yaron ko bo tundo la wala bo fannala wol fanan e kela siaso to jele wala yaken nin ko human trafficking atam kulati mi yaron manke mo kilintati ni ko natible la do ko mo human trafficking to yalom ntolle la do ko mo bari ngaje ko aka ntolka coordinate lo don bara ala impact ala anala ko wo mum bele tati aka la mo bele kan mo be ka damani soto jele because ibela community min kono wodula le yalo mine ba keri je andu tele family ba siri wolto idingol ba siri wodula to wol kanyum kumane kelje aba keri ngoto na tata fo dimbaya wala dindingol nyaay wo ko sibaji ak ba kele fele ko no amanke ku jawti kotake wala ya kenni ko mobile business lom so woto sinanan nga nyinko kacha ndambalu nga long mimbe kering munom human trafficking ti so that this saje no akelo nyi se sonanye boja.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sekou Chamu, for your those wonderful remarks. I think it is very important. Today, I am going to start my discussion with something that has been bothering me for a very long time. This is something that is happening within our societies, within our communities. This has to do with apartment. But before coming to that, I just want to elaborate on the three elements of trafficking for the listeners to understand what exactly trafficking in person means. When you talk about trafficking in person, you have to look at the three elements. That is the act, the means, and the purpose, like Mr. Sekou Cham stated here. When you look at the act is telling you how the process has started. That has to do with the recruitment, the transportation, and then also the harboring. And then you look at the means also. The means is telling you how these people were lower into these trafficking issues. So that means you have to talk about the deception, the coerce, the force, and then the list goes on. So when you talk about the purpose, why it is done, why are they doing this to our young girls? Why are they doing this to our young boys? That has to do with forced commercial sex, and then forced street begging, and then removal of organs. So these are the things that people need to differentiate. And also when you talk about trafficking, trafficking means a trafficker or somebody taking advantage of someone for what? For their own financial gain. So meaning you are taking advantage of somebody, those people will use their body to do something for you. At the end of the day, they are not going to benefit from anything from that money. All the benefit is coming back to who? The boss or the trafficker. So these are the things that we need to look at. So it is very important also for people to understand when you talk about trafficking is not only about bringing foreign nationals into the Gambia and then engage them into what commercial sex work or forced labor. Trafficking also, when you talk about trafficking, it has to do with also with internal trafficking, like Mr. Cham stated here. For example, somebody can be living around Kombos here or Greater Banjul area, and then you have a family member in Basse or Mansa Congo, and then you pleaded with that of your sister or your brother in Mansa Congo or Basse for them to release their child to come and stay with you, so that you can provide that particular child with a better and better quality education. So then based on the trust that the sister or the brother have on you, then they decided to release that girl, to come and stay with you. At the end of the day, to make it short, when that girl arrive here, instead of taking the girl to school as promised, you never do it. What did you turn the girl into? You use the girl as domestic servant in your own house, whilst your own children are attending school. So in the morning, this girl has to wake up and do all the house chores, and then at the end of the day, anytime that the mother call or the father call to know how exactly the child is doing, all what the information that they will receive is, yeah, your child is doing well, she is going to school. When in the actual sense that the child is not going to school, it is your own children that are going to school. These are the issues that we are fighting. And again, the certain issues that we need to look at is it has to do with these madrasas and other Quranic boarding schools, because these are things that we will keep on talking about. You send your child to madrasas to go and learn the Quran, but at the end of the day, upon arrival there, what do? Every morning they force those children to go out on street to go and beg instead of learning the Quran. So those children will be on the street from morning till daybreak, and sometimes they will be threatened by their own ustaz to say, if you don't raise this amount of money, you should not come back to the madrasa. Or If you come back without raising this money, this is what we are going to do to you. So these are all kind of exploitations that we are talking about. So when you talk about external exploitation, this mainly happened to our own Gambian sisters, because just recently, even last week, last month, we have receiving so many cases. And one of the cases that I want to talk about is our Gambian girls who are lower into another African countries like Ivory Coast, Nigeria, and other places. So sometimes I even wonder, where are these people getting money from to pay these traffickers? How are they lower into? How does these traffickers convince them? Because the last case that we received at the office, it has to do with QNet. I am talking to my Gambian sisters. Please, let us be very careful. Somebody cannot just come to your home and then say, or you just met somebody online, then you exchange communications, and that person said, there is a job here in Ivory Coast and I want you to come there and then start working. And these people are going to pay you nothing less than 45,000 Gambian dollars. How true is that? What is the difference between Ivory Coast and Gambia? If Ivory Coast government cannot pay their own citizens $45,000 for supermarket work, $45,000 for cleaner job, $45,000 to work at the salon, how comes they are going to pay our Gambian sisters $45,000 to secure a job in Ivory Coast? And again, the saddest thing is, these people will tell you before we provide this job for you, you have to make a payment. So sometimes they request nothing less than $100,000 to say this is the amount that you have to pay. Somebody who is ready to offer you a job, why would they request for a money? Why would they request for advance payment? Because you are going there to start a job. So why should you pay for a job that's supposed to be given to you for free? So some of them, when they are narrating their story to you, sometimes it seems like they are telling you normal stories, but these are real stories. Because some of them will tell me, they told me that and they have paid $100,000, others pay $75,000, others pay $60,000. And the saddest thing is, some of them, their parents will go all out to go and borrow this money just for them to give to the traffickers, so that when they arrive at that particular country, they will be given that job. But at the end of the day, when after making that payment and then you started your journey and then arrive in Ivory Coast, what will happen? They frustrate you there. They will make you to wait for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks without telling you anything. Hence, you have already made your payment. They don't care. So when when things are not going as you expected, now you started complaining. At the end of the day, you become frustrated and then return back to your homeland with nothing. So people have to be very much careful. And again, like I said, one of the things that is disturbing me for the past years, that has to do with our landlords, our landladies. Please, this is the advice that I want to give to you people. NATIP alone, as we keep saying it, NATIP alone cannot fight human trafficking. We need the support of everybody. We need the support of every Gambian. When we are renting our house, our apartments, we need to examine those that we are renting our apartment to. Let us know them. Don't only rent your apartment because you are looking for what? You are looking for money. At the end of the day, you will get the money that you want. But the people living in your apartment, most of them are victims, and then they are victims of human trafficking. What I observe from some of our tenants and then some of our landlords, our landladies, our landlords, they will rent a house to someone through an agent, and whereby those agents will hand over, and what those agents also, all what they are looking for is what? Money. The landlord is looking for what? Money. The tenants are looking for what? Money. So when you cross-check those apartments, at the end of the day, you will realize that that apartment is being occupied by who? More than 10 guards. What are those 10 guards doing there? The landlord, are you asking question?
Are you visiting the apartment to know exactly what those 10 girls are doing in your apartment? Because if you look at those 10 girls living in your apartment or staying in your apartment, one could be a trafficker, and all the 9 girls are victims of trafficking under forced commercial sex work. Those girls, the people living around that community only see them going out after 7 p.m. After 8 p.m. That's the only time that you normally see them going out. And then again, there is this syndrome that is disturbing the Gambians. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Nigerian girls living an apartment every night, and then you only see them coming back early in the morning. Are we asking questions? If you see such, why can't you just relay the information to the authorities? Let the authorities do the assessment to know exactly what those girls are doing there. But the landlords will tell you, as far as these people are paying me my house rent at the end of every month, I don't care. And you should care. That is your that apartment belongs to you. Whatever it is happening there, it is your responsibility to find out. So it is very important, please. And now you will never see these traffickers rent a house or rent an apartment that is occupied by Gambians or with other fellow tenants. The only time they rent this apartment is when they are coming to do these evil deeds. Is when they are coming to violate the right of other young girls. They will go and take an apartment at a very isolated place just because they want to exploit those young girls, those innocent girls, through forced commercial sex work. And these girls, it's not like they are willing to do the work, because their minds is controlled by who? The trafficker. Most of them, before coming here, they have to go through or taking. The marabouts or their barbers or the juju man will tell them, if you travel to Gambia, once your madam tell you to do this, you have to do it. If you go against your madam, you might go mad or you die. So now that they are here, with the promise that they are going to work at the salon, with the promise that they are going to work at where? The supermarket, with a better payment. Upon arrival, the same traffickers who promised to give them that salon work, that supermarket work, will do end up forcing them into commercial sex work. Sometimes they are doing it not because they wanted to do it, because of the oath that they have taken. If I don't do this, this is what is going to happen to me. So sometimes they need the support of the Gambians, we the Gambians here. They need the support of who? The landlords. Police cannot do everything, Native cannot do everything. Native rely on the people to get information. Native rely on people to make sure that those victims are protected. Native rely on people to make sure that those victims are rescued from those kind of situations. So landlord, my advice to every landlord, don't just rent your house to anybody just because of money. You are looking for money whilst other person rights is being violated. This is the two things that we need to look at. So then I will allow Mr. Sekou Cham also to elaborate on this issue. Thank you so much.
Bojang abarka bake ko mbe foka nu nyami na introduction okono wolem nyinti ko human trafficking ate sila jamal le soto andu niya jibi ala wo sila jamalu ana ala mantorol fanan wol fanan siata wole nyama wole akendi ko ala impact on the community or on the family wo fana mun kulati mi alon ko nyantala nga kacha pour mol se hakilo tuato bake ila famro se fotaje so da disaje nin wato wati nyin kusifal nate kan isa long ebe tankala la nyami wale ba avoid no la nyami because ni ajibe kon delta fo la nyami human trafficking mum bela do kolti mo bela tamu amanke ko native da mal tamu wala mo clean wala mansakunda da mal nyanta ko ni normala hani community ni family member fanan do ko soto jele wala lo dula soto jele nyanta minkela kaje ko nin wato wadi nyin kusi fa fintita na ma fon wala nyanta hataji la ka ku ke mi yalon ko abe bantam billa ko nyin nyatole pour akana janjang wala ay wajabi because human trafficking akake dulal minito ni ya jibe molde ba sirinje annu mol min fanambe sirinje ni la family le katara sirinje so waya kendele do bije kamane bake because comme bojam ba fo ka nyami ni nata mol fenan ka bo banku do kanjang inata ye dundin na banko kanjang pour que la nyanto tinya annu do bije asiaro min keta victimolti akake sunkutin dingol leti ka bo banku dolto annu ni nate fenan e ke dundi chakaya kul kono okay ke dundi chakaya kul kono nyami ni ajibe e ke fintindi le comme bojam ba fo ka nyami wala mu talan woro wala mo talan sey wona nyolu wato le ka finti pour kata ka lo silol kan wala kata chaka bungolto dami yalon ko ke la do ko keje ni ajibe ni sunkuti ndulu ni mol hakilo bakan wala na lamor la na hakilo kataraje wala la hakil to kataraje wala mo alka mol je silo kan ne sunkuti ndulu ni la ila sidefano min katare bala buka ke sidefano yuru warenti because momi yalon ko ka fon lo wafu akala abalo jato le fintinde pour ka mol ba jela nyami so wala akendi do bije ka kole abakele inni la family etara sirin wod la sifato idingolu sako surtout idi musolu e ka wo ku sifalje andu yaje ko itol moñol do wolti wala fulan wala wolti yewolje ka tara ñi ñaari e ka meko pol minu moy balwala e ka dire sol minita yaje wol ka tan lo resilo kay ni wo si defana sifalu abitala fo ay futa tembeto dami yalon ko wodinno fana itela wo family dinnolu wol ba jela ko nyim manke ku jawti indepana sa inkenole ngatara ponko nyinka silo nyinka woto iba jela community nyin aba batalale family nyin be batalale because pour ko ko sifa control mi yalon ko lolu dinnul ko sifal leje wato wate ni tol findi tasilo kay ko leje abe kole ala pour que wodi nen sifata ka atopoto wala ka control pour ay jampa wo ko sifala because atenya fanuta wol kono aka wolje wato wata kake annu ni ajibe human trafficking ala ko kolata bake because ni mobe me lodulata abe kole ala pour nga abay wala mo kake dulal minuto e kake kordal le kono okay ni o kordal jibe a jamaba abe kake entol gambeno le kordal leti bari dobije kan ko daldi loi so la nyami ni ajibi akatani silol minna dobije ite fon bukalo mu mo si fa le fon be la korda kono because agentol le kataraji iteni la loi sur la tema so agentol mostly welcome jibe de durong an karina tale anwani kodol natana anwani na natana kodo jo wala mo abesira bo nyun kodol wala abesira korda nyun kodol anu ni ajibe dobije korda bumpuru mo sina ya beta andun ka wota min kama wala mo puru aba kuriya kol kala je nyami anno telefila mo do nana je mi yalon ko wo bakela mo sifa dolti mi yalon ko na tela kol manta wala mo atela miralo mo nyinati puru ka mol na fe nan ke la nyanto tinya ni na ta mo do feje woto bate kalela bakela so wala kendi nyin ko dalu min katara na community ko no na area to wol katara nyin dula sifal nyin ku sifal le kekan andung wato wati ni tata je comme like sainten tin tembola ni tata ko korda sifal to ibe tar bundal be bo surrounding wala korda bundal be bo surrounding mamante kelaje ite fem moy laje wala mu min yalon ko be o suwo kono je ka suuta do ko leke tilibulo ni nata ya be kelati bari talan woro be sila wala talan lulu be sila ibaje la movement ol ba kuma sila mamma ol ba kelaje ba kuma kawol moy laje annu woni wokita wato wati doron isaje mol be dunne ba fintila woto ningo ko resinu nyanta on ko nyimu kuleti mi yalon ko no ku koy batri mantara tama ka nyu korda kono woto community la do ko lon pour kaje ko hakilo tu nyinto because na tata fo atinyanta di impact nyin wo kana tolde kan wala mon tol family head solti wala mo alfalti min yalon ko leba family kono dinni wala alfalu nun community fanana alfalu because natata fo a wajabita akanake banko fon ye tardement baleti because nim molo min yalon ko ke bula nyim nyanta tinyan ko ne kanake laban mo sifa doleti because it tolta fo sai kununta kono isekeno criminal hotel isekeno drug dealalti isekeno ti multi min yalon ko no etol kuriya ko do katara ko wodrondo to amro biri lombang kata wona nyongolu so sai woto ibajela aba banko ni batandelale masakuna fanamba resources ol usila pour kaje ko ibo mo sifal control la nyami ko zolta dal fo wajabita ka du kamo fon arrest wo fon dolon fam ka resources leta mo bayeta ya asamba kitiola wo bo to yeta asamba kasoto abo kaso min to no dani ni wala ko wolbe wol tadde mal be masakunda kan janni bo dundula ko siba ko no to no nganna prevention wol ke mi yalon ko wol batin na nyin ko kanake pour kaje ko ning human trafficking fintita dawoda wala ino nga asute ko nyin lafta kele human trafficking nati ngana do ko ta ngana lo lata nga ko nyin futandi anyanta futala dami 1123 fomu dulalti dami yalon ko ni o call dron native la hotline no mo free line di mo nyanta wol call lale kaji ko ka information wol di native la wala wona nyolo min yalon ko sitano ka information o di la police wol bijele immigration wol bije alkalol bije min ketan fanal la nyaadon kolti wala sefolu dipitelu kansulolu momo ngaje ko non tol sabita ko ninga komo nyi fay aba futala adulato le min yalon ko wolle balola nyin ko le kaje ko e keloke wan nga momi na nyanto batinya kan nga mari rescue wala momi yalon ko aba tinya roke kan kamolla nyantol tinya nga mari arrest ka samba luwa nyatinola so that is aje momo lafta dunna ko kono wala momo ba ko kono isi fonyono because what over sabla as a deterrent wala mo bakela kulete mi yalo aba jale wala aba likiro tilinda modo la mi yalon ko wolbe nyin ko kono kaje ko atefanan ka molla nyanto tinya woto bela do ko lam ngaje ko nganyun ko nyi kele woto landol le miti bang community member meeting bang family head le meeting bang be nyantale ngalo pour kaje ko ni impact nya akana wajabi ndol kan because ning aketan tol kan dro mobile fanko bijele buso bijele mi alon ko ino abambatandilale oto wato wati ning kusobi mi alon ko ino amang ke kuti mi alon ko mang penke sotoje famur sotoje ake amanetam fele woto ino kumandi doke 1123 la wala ye police wol kumandi wala ye mol kumandi min yalon ko wolle ba abotajo baynola dobi je mol fanan kasila pour ka nyi information sifal sen ka jiko ni asen wato wati etol ka wanyarle bari natib kamin tandi mola dron wo wato wol botale pour ka information o di mola ito e finti ni ala sonta ni la information o soto ilafta dila ndatipla wala ilafta dila any law enforcement agents la jang min bije dron wala mu ila information o ki accurate information wala mu ake information correct roti mi anon ko a loku iloku tayele anu niya fo miye as mari abasone ala bulo kono pour ko ni watajo bay manjari ye to fam min ku mata dron adresso aka ke dami information o mi ba ke kan mo sifa nya dile ka ke wala ko be nya dile pour ni nata pour mo kana mo la nyanto tinya because in tolfana lori wala pour kaje ko nyanta tinya kana ke ba nimma information correct ring soto asike no mistake kol binala yeta iron pass no muta yo mari aresia diten atara information o nyingol ma correct ba information o correct doron wato watina correct doron be kala motimi yalon ko bayo wata jo baynola bojang boko wato sitale pour ka kolal fanan invite min ketan la modlalti pour dabula na programme nyinto bawo nga programme wuli tolle kama pour la fahamrobe la fala nyaadile e se nyin garo kenole ani se information fanan dino ndale pour ka je ko ngayin ko nyi kele e be nomba min ko lawol keta 263 5555 263 55 55 pour que dabula programme nyinto ka la fa hakilo wala ka nyinin karo ke mi yalon ko abe dending human trafficking la because human trafficking ko nga fo nyami mbel la hajom mbele tamu is everybody's business. It's not like native has to do it alone. No, we have to do it together so that at the end of the day these menace will be eliminated from the Gambia. Thank you, Boya.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sekou Cham, for those wonderful remarks. I think I need to elaborate on what you have just stated here. That has to do with the informant and the people that we normally rely on to get certain informations. I think most Gambians, they misunderstood issues with regards to the information that they share with law enforcement officers. There is a law that protects informants. There is a law that protect people who share information to law enforcement officers or native, if to protect their identity, not to disclose it to the public, to know or not to disclose it to the victims or the perpetrators, to say it was Buba or it was Bojang or it was Cham who reported this matter here. No, nobody is going to do that. Once, like Mr. Sekou Cham stated here, once you have shared the information and the information is very accurate, there's no need for you to give your details to the officer. All what we need is the address of where that crime is occurring. And then who are those people involved? That is the only thing that we needed. We don't need your information. We don't need your name. We don't need your telephone number. And then we will take it from there and then do what is supposed to be done. And again, like I said, the reason why I brought this issue today, Hello.
Yeah, bro. Albanyari.
Bijandoro. Bija alhamdulillah.
Kotrande.
Tanante.
Allah programo important baba kle ma bankola tankola modi.
Barka bake mbe bismillah ifana yela miralo la fankan.
Parce que na ninkon na bankola sama e beteano nyenta borla kukuru mo mumel belale.
Wom to nyati.
Especially alkadam important thing because nim bankol min bandanda wa penting. La Gambia la na mol la sonea ntola bank kemedung la sonea kama atina mol kala fi kanananka na banko to tinya nyalon ko gamedung maminken pantala
tonya
kala fi kana ko ke ntola banko dum fongo buka woke na banko kambare dul kanana ka atina posay na bare musol ne na Gambia dim kote o hani kambanol fon kabla akko no makaje ko ken dola bari ka fenne je ko ka fenne so do ko no tan mala ka fenne so do ni Gambia dun jibi ba fala ko ni kemelan tan konon to be muslim olti ana cristiano ni po de mejang wol fo mala fa je ka sifala so nyanta ko mira la ba kele amanche ko mine ka ko man sala mol la nyanta kala ndela hajite je nim bi la hajite je sama la hajibe tarla je
wallahi wom to nyati
bi ding mantaje bare sama idi ngo betala no jelle
tonya
ambe ni di ngo baramata itele baramata wolu min kana jang wol mang along mena mun tolke nin samba mantaje ken tangata je bi
exactly
nga kuran so je mi alan ka man tam makala wala ngata ngakelo so je na mol ko bana kelo fa sala wom
to nyati barka bake to di ma do ba kumandiro la mun to
mbakumandiro la nyemela anin ko tanke fa nga problème do fa nan jenna bada la jang
bismillah ja
amantara la isu kono bad am abe bankol de darol bele concern mol kana na batu jang e ka nyin jala jawta e ka kabla dulato jang kulungi bori fu almost a kilometer plus ina ye jalo saba e ka saba mol min kara ya kara for over 20 people so lan ni mo kilon ko be diamla wol kono aba kilebul batalde because si ko ku kela no bada na la jere da mal ni biji
tonya
pare ka jalo sabale ya saba almost a kilometer ko sabale fo na garad la kili ni wara ma nyeme sama ka bele kora ni ta do sol da nyeme na ji yota woto ya be bomba ko no kana ke kunul la kadra do mo kan bada na la ji
yo wala mo ko benin fo kan don tonya la mantara na programme ko wala na doku ko no bari han sayin comme information sharing ka min fo comme ka information o di anyata tala dami o sifa ni nyaa woje e se police ol commande nole ise nebi kumandinole wala fire service ol min katara badato min yalon ko wala do ko mo ni rescue ni wona nyon leti ise o mo sipal kumandinole bar sa en debe mi advice o dile do bawo nyimmo banku do ko wolti anno tol fon la on banko lam nyinti nyantan na all call be safeguard la
fawla nyanta lola ngari da
ha so sai eno e o je min keteti ni wato wadi o sifaje a try nearest police station ye information o yin sambaje idela banku de ya do ko ana ala nyanto wala la do dula yo tale sa tuta police o le bulo kono pour etol fanan ye la do ko ke wado wadi ni o sifaje rek hani alkalo le fon min be o satel to afoye wala eno BDC min yankol be o sateto afoye because no ka ponko soto tenda committee soto le min katara wo kusipal kon ibajala nyin kusipal se danno be tendula be jela bak
bakol ke kan stanu president but stanu nyin kabon to la sate ko kata badale ka foye ko man tan soto min si samanoje because mo min data fo mo around 10 to 15 ma fa
ha
mo fleta ko bol attack la yalo mo
kan han sa kana taji wato wati do ni information o fenke no ko ba nyimmo national radio ti mo jama be la moy kannale aseke no mo do babanta woy plan do soto min seke no pour ino e ba jana nyun ko ba stop la nyami meten mo ne ke to di ma fondum
no moto nga se
okay abarka baki
ni mole ba dia mo ko
yo
nga mol sudo satel to
yo abarka baki ye tendula mbeje ila kumol betata baki abo nyale Gambia tolle tamu Gambia ti na tinyanta tolle na dada tan tolle woto ngana dandawol kanda bake na dandawol abe konole pour na dimbal katara dandawol minuto katara kusi fanya dille kono nyanto kanda la bake pour kaje ko be sidula kendo sutono lan dindule nyaadile because sinin sama wala binakala alfati woto ninto nga turjawo fi woli abakela pour be mbalti Gambia wata is like ndolnga Gambia jawol fi te ni ajibe ndolma wota na alfal bulo kono ngaminta na alfal bulo kono wala mu ku kende keti ani yamaro lamoyro ani ka yamaro nyi samba anyanta samba la nyami hello aboko kola do soto okay kola manana pour ka koni penke molla famro ni ani kan hakilo blandi native lomu min ka national agency against trafficking in person komi lu tenen kanana jang kabo 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock nka programme so to min be dendi human trafficking na niamo human trafficking wala mu ka hanaba nuta ka safari wala mu ka wafunyo ya wala ka sanyo ya pour be o mari la nyanto nyintinya na nyami nga tandiko community fone lo dula sotole family fone lo dula soto because ni nyimbe jibe ala mantoro nyin kana boy minika ngolo mu family ti anin community ti o community member sol min yalon ko ba na danda wala e ka mantoro min soto je aka wajabu bakele an ni wol jawiyata wo bina kelan tolla banko tardema balti banko mi bina nasilale because development o nyimbe ko lealale ni banko kan mo be keta motimi yalon ko victime o miti wala criminal o miti wala mo keta motimi yalon ko drug mala le miti alma be tanka wala bao rejidiamo lo mu afele wato bina lan jampa kan pour ka kumala man fodron wala mu wato wati ninga ko jemi yan kon sobitala mi be dending human trafficking na sa kata nga 1123 kumandi na tip la free line o multi pour ka je ka information o sia wala ka nyin karoke mi be dending human trafficking nga je ko ninga nyinke nyimu prevention oti wala mu ka ko kacha mimbe de human trafficking na mbese famro soto je anu ni momo famro soto mo sembentu ya baleti because ni sembentu ya kol soto wala ni famro soto ko to pour moye nene wota ka kole abakele boja.
Okay, thank you so much Mr. Seku Chamu for those wonderful remarks. I will conclude my discussion by just saying I'm appealing to the public, especially the landlord. Today I am with the landlord. If you look at most of these foreign nationals, once they arrive here, they don't have their own property, they don't have their own apartment, they don't have their own houses. They go out to look for what house to rent, apartment to rent, and those apartments are owned by who? Other people, Gambians.
So please, don't only look for money. As other people will say, as far as I am receiving my monthly apartment rent, I don't care what is happening there. So please, I am appealing to the public. Let us all try by all means, and then we reported such offenses to NATI by calling the 1123. So thank you so much to our beautiful listeners. Hope to see you next week Monday again, inshallah. Thank you so much.
Kahada madingo wafi anasuful human trafficking amnafi